Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where crypto is made simple. In this channel, we only look on the pure facts in the chart. We stay away from the noise, stay level-headed and calm. And what I also help you do is stay ahead of the curve. If you like what I'm sharing with you guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump in. Now let me start with this first. Anything I'm sharing with you guys in this video is just some pure facts and evidence in the chart, not my personal opinion or not what I hope to have. What we have over here, we're on the weekly chart of XRP, and you want to stick to the end to hear my bold prediction for XRP for this current market cycle. Let me start with this. We all know in the macro trend, the crypto space and cycles have diminishing return. Cycles are getting weaker and weaker. And further said, let's go back 2017, back in the early days. You can see XRP did roughly 400x in the first cycle. And in the next cycle, we did roughly an 8x. What's realistic or what's most likely to happen in this current cycle? When you look at the big picture, XRP did a 400x to an 8x. How many x could this current market cycle be? We'll jump into that in a second. So theoretically, if we did 400x in the first cycle and 8x in the second cycle, could we still do another 8x or probably 7 or 5x or 4x? We'll jump into that, knowing that we're having some diminishing returns in the whole crypto space, not just in XRP. If we did another 8x from market cycle bottom over here, where would that take us? An 8x would take us to roughly $2.93. But is it possible? Yes, it is. But could 4 or 5x or probably 3x be more realistic? Yes, why not? So if you're looking at 3x or 4x, where would price bring us to? $1.6 roughly, from 400x to an 8x to an 4x. For me it sounds realistic, but we'll discuss about some things to watch in the charts. First, let's cover some details in the charts. You can see those yellow circles, and usually those represents the biggest moves for XRP in each cycle dating back to 2017. You can see what after we had a cross, an explosive move to the upside, we had our peak, went into a bear market, we had our bearish cross over here. What came in next? Long extended downtrend to 15 cent, creating a base or a market struck as support. What happened next? A bullish cross when the green line crossed above the red line, an explosive move to the upside. We had our peak over here, came back down into a bear market, a long downtrend, also had a bearish cross in 2022. And what you can realize over here, after we had our bearish cross, roughly 2 months later, we rallied to the red line. We were met with the resistance and got rejected. Is it a coincidence? No. Even in recent cycle, when we had our bearish cross, also roughly 2 months later, we rallied to the red line and got rejected. Currently, we went into a long downtrend, a bear market. We came right to 30 cents to this white line, creating a beautiful base over here, which used to be our previous support and resistance. You can see all the touch points dated back to 2017. And as you can see in front of your eyes, we recently had a cross, and we spoke about it in previous videos. I spoke about don't be surprised if we rally above the red line and probably get rejected. Even back in the days after our bearish cross, we came right to our base, rallied back above the red line for a couple of weeks but failed to hold, and then prices continued down to our true base at 15 cents. Could this be a real cross or a fake out? I'll give you some tips and targets to watch in the near future to know whether this cross is going to be a real cross or we're going to null and void and continue back to the downside. And the first thing you want to look at when you go back in date from our bearish cross to our bullish cross, you can see we stayed roughly 800 days before we had this major momentum shift. What I don't like currently is from this bearish cross till date, we're 490 days only, which is half the period of price action over here. We'll have to watch for price action in the near future. What you don't want to watch for is prices falling back below this green line and the red line. If it happens, it might push back prices down to our base. So just looking at time frames, I'm suspecting this could be a fake cross, but we'll watch and see in the near future. For us to null and void prices falling back down below those two moving averages is for us to see XRP rally in price roughly to 60 cents. You can see this white line over here. If we break above and confirm support, that might probably null and void, prices falling back to the downside. That's scenario number one. Scenario number two, if we really get to have a real cross and prices break above the 60 cents and confirm as support, we could have a really nice rally pushing prices back between 1.5 and 1.7 dollars. If that happens, then we'll probably be met with the resistance over here and prices fall down back and have a long extended downtrend. Now let's get to my bold prediction for XRP for this current market cycle. Whenever you're looking at any altcoin that was launched in 2014 2015 period, has been a while in the market, and you get to see prices fail to pass its all-time high or fail to pass its previous market cycle peak, that's a red flag and it's a warning sign for the next market cycle or the next two market cycles. Any coin you look at and you see we fail to break above previous all-time high, it's a red flag, a warning sign for the future of that coin. Now for my bold prediction, you want to be seated to listen to this. You might not like what I'm about to say. It might be a bit painful to the ears. Since XRP was created till date, XRP has been in the top 10 for the past 10 to 13 years. XRP has never been out of the top 10. My bold prediction for this current market cycle and the next one is that you won't see XRP in the top 10 by the end of this market cycle, probably not even in top 20, also in the upper market cycle. If you like what I'm sharing with you guys, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe and click the bell button to get notified whenever I post a video. See you on the next one.